Okay, all right, so very quickly again, to introduce myself, I'm Herbert Sim. I represent Broctagon FinTech Group, and I'm here today to share with you about the future of securities, where crypto meet traditional assets. So it's something that actually the whole entire market right now is very interested in. I'm talking about the mainstream market. I'm talking about the likes of Forex. Yeah. So these are the traditional assets I'm talking about, from stocks, commodities, and Forex itself. And these guys are actually starting to look at crypto and how Broctagon is here today, actually offering a whole new platform that is set to revolutionize the market. Yeah, we are actually offering the whole entire industry something that they have not seen before. So, but before I share more, I'm going to introduce myself first. I'm Herbert, representing Broctagon. So I'm the head of business development there. So I'm also the founder of Crypto Chain University that was founded in 2010. Yes, it's very early. Bitcoin was only founded in 2008. So my stance then when I founded the university was to promote decentralization of research papers. The idea of decentralizing and making all these research papers available for the public. So we act as the world's first library compiling research papers. Yeah, and later in 2016, I actually developed the Bitcoin Man persona to actually push and propagate the whole education of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency to the world. Yeah. So my previous positions include being the Chief Marketing Officer at Cryptology. It's an exchange, top 50 in the world. And of course, I was also the Global Operations Director at Huobi Global. Huobi, if you know, we had the opening session by Huobi earlier. So they are still top 10 in the world in terms of exchanges. So today I'm coming to my most important point. It's about how, you know, trading multiple asset classes, it's not easy. Who here is a trader? I'm talking about stocks, Forex. Yes, I see a couple of guys there. Yeah, very good. So the thing is, we all know that trading multiple different assets, it's not easy. Why? Because you would need to open different accounts just to hold the different assets. Like, for example, if you want to trade stocks, you will need a stocks account. And then if you want to do commodities, you have to open another set of accounts. And it gets even harder. Multiple accounts, multiple problems. I'm talking about different countries. For example, if you're based in Thailand and you want to buy a stock in US, for example, you would have to open an account in US itself. Yeah. So, like I mentioned earlier, separate accounts required for trading of stocks, commodities, FX, and crypto. And the complexity increases. I'm talking about regulations across the world that changes. Like, for example, in crypto, regulations are changing every 2 weeks. We have some new regulation by SEC, or for example, in Hong Kong, or more recently in Singapore itself, where they are going in depth to actually regulate the sector. Yeah. So the thing is, there's no one platform to see a whole stream of your whole entire portfolio of what you have. Yeah. And more importantly, there's significant amount of lockup. Yeah. Whereby, example, if you have a account open in Thailand and an account open in US, and if you want to capture an opportunity that arises, what happens is you need to move your money from one country to another. And that takes time, and you might have just missed the boat completely. Yeah, so the thing is, it's very costly, cumbersome to actually move your funds around. Yeah, and it's extremely cumbersome for actually the retail investors to diversify your portfolio. Yeah, so how do you actually solve this $1 trillion problem? Okay. So it's with crypto, of course. So in this day and age, thanks to the advent of technology of crypto exchanges, we now have today what we call crypto exchanges that anyone from any country can actually set up an account with a crypto exchange and buy crypto that are listed on their exchange. Yeah, so we have exchanges, example like Huobi, Binance, OKEX, that all have at least about 100 tokens each. Yeah, so would you believe me if I actually tell you that now you can access 90% of the world tradable assets, crypto stocks, commodities, FX, all on one single account, one platform itself, denominated in crypto. So up to today, there's no other platforms like this at the moment. And I'm actually proud to share with you that you don't have to wait till the future because it's already available in the market right now. Yeah, so introducing Nexus 2.0, crypto meets traditional assets. So what is this revolutionary platform itself? Like I mentioned, there's no such platform in the world at the moment, and Brocktagon FinTech Group is proud to actually present this to you. So you can actually have access to 90% of the whole entire world's tradable assets. I'm talking about Tesla stock. If you want to buy Apple stock using Bitcoin, it's all readily available on this platform now. And so like everything that's listed there, you can come approach me or my colleagues here today as well. So I'm talking about even like ETFs, metals, all the interesting things that traders love. Yeah, it's all available on this platform. So more about this platform, we are actually doing something crazy, I would say. Yeah, because Forex industry is actually 5 trillion daily trading volume. And make a guess how many, like how much is crypto actually trading daily? Anyone want to make a guess? You can just shout out the figures. Daily trading volume. Make a guess. Okay, it's actually 5 billion. And that means actually Forex is 1,000 times bigger than crypto. Yeah. So what we are doing here today is actually we are bridging the gap. We are building a whole entire bridge that is making cryptocurrency mainstream by introducing two Forex traders using our platform here today. Yeah. So I'm talking about like algorithmic trading, there's copy trading, and more. And what you, okay, and the advantage we have, we are actually regulated as well. And we are actually connected, our liquidity is connected to the top 10 exchanges in the world as well. Yeah, so we are EU regulated out of Cyprus. We have a unified order book, smart order routing, and more technologies as well. So without further ado, we actually also have margin trading of leverage up to 10 times. It's something very attractive as well, very, very competitive in the market. And we have 24/7 trading. You don't, there's no such thing as market close and open. It's 24/7. And there's also OTC and tighter spreads, the depth of the market as well. Yeah, so we actually accept fiat crypto settlements and stablecoins, specifically USDT. So thank you, everyone. If you have any questions, please feel free to come to me and my colleagues out there. And just to...
You can actually do if there are any questions right now. Even.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. I don't know. Any questions in the audience? Everyone is too lazy.
Which fiat currencies do you accept? US?
Which fiat? Okay, so which fiat currency we actually accept? Actually, we accept US dollars, but you can use it to trade into any other currency you want. Yeah, we also accept Bitcoin and other stable coin like USDT. Yeah. Any other questions?
Is this available in the US?
Okay, so this one is regulated out of EU. So yes, it is open to users across the world. Yeah, all you need to do is to actually, we'll talk on the side, yeah, because this will actually require us to customize for you. Yeah. Any other questions? Come on, I won't bite.
Too much food we gave, probably. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Herbert. I